Hi children, welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT man. How are you children? Are you all fine? Okay, good. I know you all are stuck at your home due to this pandemic. So children stay safe, stay home, okay? From today onwards, we are going to start our IT sessions. So are you excited? Yes. Children, let me ask you, what do you know about IT? So, what is the full form of IT? Yes, it is information technology. So, what it deals with? It deals with the study of computers. No? So, what are computers? Yes, the very simple and basic definition of computer. What is that, children? Yes, computers are electronic machines which converts data into information. In this academic year, we are going to learn more about computers. So, computers, as you all know, computers are made up of hardware and software. Hardware means any physical parts which we can touch or felt. Software means the programs that are installed inside the computer. Yes. So, children, let me ask you, what are programs? Programs means set of instructions that are given to the computer, and according to that instructions the computers will perform different tasks. Okay children? So in our previous classes we have learned about different types of computer, different types of software, isn't it? In this class let's revise all those things which you should know in order to learn more about the computers. Okay?
Let's discuss about the types of computer. Main types of computers are supercomputers, mainframe computers, microcomputers, and handheld devices. According to the user need and processing speed, different types of computers are used around in the world. Supercomputers are the fastest. They are used by large organizations. Next is the mainframe computers. It is less powerful than supercomputers and it is used in banks, educational institutions and insurance companies. The next one is microcomputers. It is smaller in size and less expensive. And microcomputers, we can call them as personal computers. They are used in schools, banks, shops, offices and at homes. For example, desktop computer and laptops. The next one is handheld devices. For example, notebook, iPad and tablets. Types of software. We know that a computer system includes software and hardware. Hardware is any part of the computer which can be touched or felt. Software are programs that are installed in the computer. In order to do any work on the computer, you need relevant software which will carry out the task with the help of computer hardware. Let's see the types of software. Software can be put into two main categories. They are system software and application software. System software includes operating system, development software, and utility software. Application software includes general purpose application software and customized application software. So let's discuss about the system software. System software is the interface between the computer hardware and application software. It is responsible for executing all the input and output operations. There are three main types of system software, and they are operating system, utility software, and development software. So the first one is operating system. It is the most important system software of the computer. So here are few examples of operating system. Windows OS, Mac, Ubuntu, Android, Windows Phone, etc. The next is utility software, and these are used to manage the computer. Utility software ensure better functioning of the computer. Types of utility software include antivirus program, file manager, disk cleaners. Here you can see few examples of utility software. The next is development software. It is used by programmers to develop new software such as new system software, application software, computer games, etc. Examples .NET, PHP, etc. It is about the system software. The next is application software. Application software helps the computer to perform a specific function. For example, Paint, WordPad, etc. Types of application software includes general purpose application software and customized application software. General purpose application software, they are used for general, professional and personal purposes. And some examples include MS Word, MS Paint, Adobe Photoshop, etc. And the next type of application software is customized application software. These are designed especially to meet the needs of a specific group. For example, an ERP software designed for a school or a salary credit system. Do you know our school's app, STPS app? It is such a customized application software.
Yes, children, now we know what are computers made up of, and different types of computers, isn't it? Yes. Now, let's start our first chapter. Our first chapter is computer languages. So, what it is used for? Yes, computer languages are used for programming. Computer programming languages to give certain set of instructions to the computer. Means computer languages means the language which can understand by the computer. Okay, so why do we use languages? We have different languages, isn't it? English, Hindi, Malayalam. For what we are using that languages? For communication. No, to communicate with each other. Like that, in order to communicate with computers, we need a language, and that is computer language. And there are 4 different types of computer languages. What are they? Yes, assembly language, machine language, high level language, and 4th generation language. So these are the 4 types of computer languages. So children, we will know more about these languages in our next class. So for today, you just revise all those topics that we discussed in this video. Yes, children, that's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.